What's up, boys? Today is Thursday, September 11th. Gonna be doing a quick trade recap. I did end up taking one trade. It was a small short. Ended up getting break even on the short. After I got break even, it went to about a 1-to-1 RR. Didn't really end up playing out too much. Overall, I was just looking for us to rebalance to, not rebalance, but take data lows before going higher, but we just ended up going higher. So let's go over this trade and what I took it off of. Obviously, my bias for today was bullish. We were just pumping every single time frame. ES was already at all-time highs. We did have a SMT there, but I was still bullish, as you guys knew when I sent out the daily bias. On the hourly, didn't really have much. This was the data candle, and it ended up respecting this hourly fair value gap and this hourly fair value gap as well. That's kind of what confirmed the bullish bias for me. So, market opened right here. We ended up coming down, making an SMT at this 15-minute candle. Didn't really get an entry there, but overall, we're pretty bullish. After that, ES swept previous day high right around that time. So we put in an SMT at previous day high. It was at this high, and we had just swept out this high, which was a relative high with previous AM session. And then I ended up scaling down on the 2-minute, and we did get this short entry, this tiny 2-minute. I got a pretty good entry. I entered on the wick of the candle after the inverse. Ended up going break even at this low. I wasn't going to TP at a 1-to-1. I was really just trying to hold for either the current AM session low, which was a 1-to-2, or a data low, which was almost a 1-to-5 RR. The RR in this trade was really way too good for me not to take it. I wasn't risking much on it. My stops were only like 30 points, a little less than that. But the SMT had previous day high, and then this just pretty obvious AMD short. We were accumulating, then we manipulate, put in the SMT with previous day high, take out previous AM session high and this high, and then get the clear short. So I was willing to take that, obviously. Also after 10 a.m. open, so 10 a.m. open higher. So just a lot of things adding up here for the short to be A plus in my opinion. But yeah, ended up getting break even on it like right after we took out my break even low, and then we ended up going to 1-to-1 and kept pumping to previous day high. I think this will get rebalanced probably either overnight today or maybe tomorrow morning. But that was the only trade I really saw today. I know some people took some trades off of levels, but I didn't take anything else other than this trade. Pretty choppy price action this whole week. Obviously, we had red folder news like every single day. There's 10 a.m. news tomorrow, I believe. Tomorrow's Friday. That's about it for me, guys. Only trade of the day. Ended in break even. Sitting at break even on the week. I've taken 2 break evens, I think. Only trades so far. But if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments. And yeah, peace out, boys.